Smart Up Your Life.
Well, this is our second segment for Smart Up Your Life, and we are still talking about the Pancasila Day. So tonight in this segment, this is the test of your memory. To to read or to memorize the 5 principles of Indonesian state or Pancasila. So let we read together. Who wants to be the first reader? Okay, so read the Pancasila in Indonesian and also in English.
One principle or all of them?
You want to read together? It's okay.
Okay.
So, together. So yes, to to make a very spirit ya. Lebih semangat. Well, 1, 2, 3.
Wait. One minute. I will say okay. I will say the first Pancasila and read by principle. Pancasila. First.
Follow. You read together.
Okay.
Pancasila. Like you are in the ceremonial of 17 Agustus.
Okay.
I got it. You get it.
Pancasila. First. Believe in the one and only God.
Believe in the one and only God.
Ketuhanan yang Maha Esa.
Ketuhanan yang Maha Esa.
Two. A just and civilized humanity.
A just and civilized humanity.
2. Kemanusiaan yang adil dan beradab.
Kemanusiaan
Yang adil dan beradab.
3. Unity of Indonesia.
3. Unity of Indonesia.
3. Persatuan Indonesia.
Persatuan Indonesia.
4. Demokrasi led by the wisdom of the representative of the people.
4. Democracy led by the wisdom of the representative of the people.
4. Kerakyatan yang dipimpin oleh hikmat kebijaksanaan.
Kerakyatan yang dipimpin oleh hikmat kebijaksanaan.
Dalam permusyawaratan perwakilan. 5. Social justice for all Indonesian.
Social justice for all Indonesian people.
5. Keadilan sosial bagi seluruh rakyat Indonesia.
5. Keadilan sosial bagi seluruh rakyat Indonesia. Yes. So give a big applause for us. Okay. Well, in every point of this 5 principle of our state, it has a value. So what do you know about the value of this principle, guys? Of this Pancasila.
Okay, the 5 principle of Indonesia. That's ideology from the Indonesian.
Yes.
That's
the value from every every
Sila.
Yes, every sila.
Essential makna nilai.
Ooh, that is a big essential, but the Pancasila we say.
From the first,
From the first is we know we love have a religion different Indonesian, so we just have one God.
Yes. Another maybe.
Second.
What number?
Up to you. It's up to you.
Okay. For me, for the first is a belief in the one and only God. It means that every human being in Indonesia have a religion. So because we are human being, have a religious value, we need to and absolutely we have God. That's why we call that belief in the one and only God. Okay. I think that's all.
And every people of Indonesian people has freedom to choose their religion, their faith of the God. Another one maybe.
Okay.
Miss Sally or
Okay.
Achang.
Actually, it is included with the 5 principle.
So actually Pancasila is a philosophy of life and Indonesia philosophy which was once replaced by another ideology. I think the Pancasila really important to increase about the young, but if we compare between the older and now, I think it is really different. But I think why, as far as I know, why it is can do that, because yes, of course it is factor from the technology, because the young sometimes they don't know about this value in Pancasila and they prefer to play games, and it is very bad. Yes, because when they don't know about this Pancasila, at the end they don't know about the regulate from the government, and also because Pancasila is guidance why the government create about this a regulation, for example, is the rule and so on and so forth. That's why the value in Pancasila really important to know, because they as a guidance and the regulation from Pancasila. I think that's all.
Well, another statement maybe from Herul or Miss Sally about the value of Pancasila, the value.
Okay, from the value that I like in the five principle of Indonesia state, I like the sila number 5. It's social justice for all Indonesian people. All Indonesian people or the civilization in Indonesia have the same right and justice. So there are no
We are the same,
certain differences between one another. So we all have the same right, same justice for everything. So yeah, that's
Okay.
I like. That's one that I like.
Herul,
Yeah.
what about you?
From Pancasila, it taught us that even though that we have a different tribes, religions, and also skin tones, that we unite in one color. That's Indonesia. That's from sila number 3.
Unite
The
as
unity of
one
Indonesia. Yeah.
Indonesian people. So
Yeah.
okay, his favorite value from Pancasila. Well, guys, I know you know every value, the meaning of the value of Pancasila, but the question is, in your eyes, what about the implication of this value in our society? From your environment, maybe, from the simple things of your daily life. Do you see these values are implicated well in our society? Who want to ask?
First. Okay, of course, all
Is
those.
it a hard question?
Not really.
We talking about
We have to think hard for that. For that for answer that. Actually, I don't think it's already amplified well in Indonesia, but that's why the Pancasila ada. Yeah,
Exist?
that's why Pancasila have to exist, because we have to have some certain some kind of rule that we have to be followed if we make something mistakes. Of course, not all the sila have been implemented really well, but we still learn how to be how to follow the sila in Pancasila. I think that's from me. And
Maybe there is how to say the case that happened in your life that that show, oh yeah, this is the Pancasila value in my community. Maybe in your daily life, maybe a simple case. What, Hero? Maybe.
I have a question.
Yeah.
I have a question. Maybe some of you can answer me. From the sila number 1, believe in the one and only God. What about the atheists? Are the Pancasila accept them, or they are? I mean, they break the rule of Pancasila if I become an atheist. What do you guys think? I just wanna see the perception from you. Okay.
Please.
Pancasila is only representative for all of peoples in Indonesia who have religion. So automatically,
Have religion?
no. So automatically, I mean like this. This is the context I mean, this is the rule, but this the how to say the bentuk, how to say,
Forms.
the form is like the text. So this is a rule for all of Indonesian people who have a religion. It means that whatever your religion, it means that you are included of this context. So I mean like this, atheists actually in the
Yeah.
officially actually they have a belief in their heart, but they don't have status on government, because in our government, especially Indonesia, only have a six. They are a Muslim, a Christian there are two, Protestant, Catholic, Buddhist, Hindus, and Konghucu. So as long as peoples doesn't have a one of the six, this automatically in the officially, that's not relevant. But I think
Is that a problem?
I think as long as you don't have a business with the government, who government have necessary and as long as you don't have a business
You
with,
have to have an ID card, I guess.
of course, if you need ID card, you have a business.
You have to have one.
Yeah.
Of course, you have to have one, even you
Yeah.
don't have a belief.
Yeah.
I think this is
Yeah.
the implication of
Yeah. Yeah.
the one of the case
Yeah.
of the Pancasila's value, implication of
Yeah.
Pancasila's value
Yeah.
in our
Yeah.
community.
Yeah.
And I think the choice to have no religion is also belief, and is also the faith, right? That
Yeah.
we have to, how to say, menghargai the choice. I don't know. That's from my point of view only.
Yeah, you can.
Oh, I think this is a hard conversation,
No,
guys.
it's not hard. It's
So, but can we have a break for a while? So don't go anywhere, smart listener.